Today we're travelling on the metro replacement and then Arriva bus 7522.
To Wallsend? The bus.
900 Wallsend metro replacement. 7522. 7522. Arriva bus. This is Arriva. Getting here, Mum. Oh, okay. Go on then. Sit there.
Oh, let me get in first.
Get yourself in.
Really?
What? I never forced you to sit here. 7522, a Arriva bus on the 900 metro replacement.
Fall off when we go around the corner.
He won't.
Let you fall off instead.
Excuse me. Oh, that's nice.
You're young, you're recovering quicker.
It's usually a go north east bus. This is a Arriva one. 7522. This is my.
It's going back to the boat, German fishing.
Who?
Some of these people. There's a boat back to the German fishing. Mine, whatever it was.
This is metro replacement 900 to Wallsend, and this is my bus to North Shields. Where from there I'm going to be going home. We're on Arriva 7522 in humongous crowds. Mum, there was people. Did you see the one behind us? There was people smushed against the window.
A lot of people here aren't waiting for the 10 metro.
Yeah. But no, I'm talking about on board the bus over there. People smushed against the window on that one. It is very, very busy today, guys. 7522. There's one behind as well. It's really busy behind us. Every seat behind us is occupied. Hence why I'm sitting here. And it's probably the same up there as well, because there's a double decker.
Is this a bus replacement? Yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, did they not hear the man? I'm just wondering, did they not hear the man? He was saying bus replacement Wallsend. I know, I wasn't saying anything. I was just saying, did they not hear the man? Saying it in English. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Well, in a few seconds. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.